That's your favorite? Look at that's a beautiful necklace on you.
Let it go, you can't hold it back anymore.
Oh, you are wonderful. Should we all stand up and sing together?
Yeah.
Yeah? Everyone, come on now. Don't be shy. We all sing in Arendelle. Here, let's try this. Ready? Come here. Oh, this will be so fun. I'm so excited to sing with all of you. Sing as loud as you want to. This is all about letting it go. Right? Everyone, snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I've tried. Ready? Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Everybody, let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Cast some spells, let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Shall we cast some magic together? Ready? Let's go! It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. And the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I am one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I'll stay. Let the storm rage on. You know what happens now? Everybody build a castle together. Swirl your magical frozen fractal powers. And here we go. Here comes the castle. My power flurries through the air into the ground. My soul is spiraling in frozen fractals all around. And one thought crystallizes like an icy blast. I'm never going back. The past is in the past. Really loud now. Let it go. Let it go. I'll rise like the break of dawn. Let it go. Let it go. That perfect girl is gone. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway.